Now that I've watched the first tutorials in Schoology and I have an idea of what stop motion is, I'm going to start to play around with the stop motion app. So I'm going to go down here at the bottom. It's the one with the video recorder called Stop Motion. And I haven't used this app before, so I might play around with it by clicking the plus, new movie, dismiss. It's telling me kind of each of the tools and how to do those. But I'm going to click this back arrow because I'm not feeling really confident with how to use the app. So I'm going to go up here in the left-hand corner with the question mark, and I'm going to click on that question mark. Also, if I have any questions as I'm going through, like for example, wait a minute, my camera's not working, I might click set up the camera. Wait a minute, I can't get the sound to work. I might click on this right here. But because I'm just starting out and I just kind of want to know how everything works, I'm going to click on this plus. Where do I begin? And then in here, I'm going to look at the different headings. So what is the stop motion movie? I already know the answer to that question because of the other tutorial. I'll scroll down here to where do I begin, and this is where I'm going to start reading because I've never used this app before. So first, get objects and figures to star in your movie. Good choices include clay or Play-Doh, Lego, or similar building block figures, small dots with lots of flexibility, or paper cutouts. So the paper cutouts are what we're going to be using because those are the materials we have. Really almost anything. And then set up the figures, characters in a particular position on the stage or set. Tap the plus to create your first project. Oh, and then they have all of these labels pointing to each. So help, I'd click there. Opening a project, click there. Okay. Then as I'm going, I might come here to figure out how to set up the camera, how to animate, the interval timer, selecting the camera. So all of this information is available to me because Ms. Coles has just as much experience with stop motion as you do. So when I'm all done with this, I'm going to click done up here in the left-hand corner, and then it'll take me back here to my platform. And then if I have any other questions, I'm going to check in with a couple other people who are also doing stop motion, and then Ms. Coles if I'm still having problems. Good luck!